How to convert Bitcoin BTC to USDT on Binance. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how to convert Bitcoin BTC to USDT on Binance. So let's get started. Simply first thing, open up your Binance application and make sure you are logged into your account, and simply select this Binance logo at the top left corner. So once you're inside it, just select this more services, and from over here click on search bar and just search in for convert. So once you search in for that, just tap on this option, that's the convert. So it will give you an option to convert from that particular currency to different. So at first simply search in for Bitcoin and simply select the one, and in the second option just select USDT. So from over here you can basically preview the amount that is required to convert it to BTC from BTC to USDT. So once you do that, you can actually view the preview from over here. And once you select this preview option, you will be given a 10 seconds to complete the transaction. And you just have to tap on the withdraw, or basically the conversion option. And this way you will be able to convert BTC to USDT on Binance. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.